Hey guys, welcome to the 10 million coin pocket winning part 4. I think it is now. We've got the international man of the match, Mara's out, and the new team of the week, so hope to get some of them. It'll be quite nice. We've already got him from Balotelli. No, I'm not sure if that's a new one. It could be not. Who are we gonna get? Reina. Pack's not really worth 100k. Who's that? Chicharito. Yeah. Oh, medium. Actually, that's not bad pack then. I mean, it'd be nice to get another legend today. Even forms don't need them. Don't want them. That international Mara rate is what we really want. But I don't think we're gonna get that. Pushing it. Coming down to 4 million coins, so I don't think there'll be many more parts of this. Remember to leave a like if you want to see more of this, and I'll do it next time. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Alba. These packs are not brilliant today. Shatov. Come on, something good, please. Motta, these are awful, man. Oh my god, Gomez. Don't want you. 15 players, Ribery. Oh my god. What am I gonna do with this? Yeah, what am I gonna do with Ribery? Socrates, bloody hell, man. These packs are bad. We just have one good pack, like something like a Pele or something. Who's that big player? Messi. Alright, what a Messi. I mean, just boost my coins up. Come on, something. Legend, yes. Oh, really got you, Effenberg. And it's one of the worst legends you could possibly get anyway. Well, at least we've got a legend. To every Dow. Okay. Jan Vertonghen. Jan Vertonghen. Big player Neymar, yes. Neymar. Neymarzito. Come on. Pogba. Lay up. Matic. Okay. Quite poor. Danovic Oblak. Was get confused. Is that Suarez? The pack's not too bad. Milan. This pack's not amazing, but they're not awful. That Muller. Hernandez. Again, come on. We've already got one legend. That is what I asked for. But I mean, like, let's get a better one. Because he's just one of the worst legends you can get. Effenberg. Big fan, Ronaldo. Courtois. Thibaut. Lloris. Can't complain, but we can at the same time. Robin. See, these are all good players, high rated, just don't want them. Oh my god, look at our coins, they're gone, absolutely gone. This was 10 million coins, by the way, that was spent for, oh my god, Road, 80 rated and 100k pack, wow. Great game, Backer. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to stop soon because these save it for some more parts. We'll do 3 more, I think. Kadira, no, don't want you. Come on, Griezmann. That's not bad player. Benzema, okay, 2 French strikers from the BBVA. Not bad. Liga Santander. Matuidi. Alright, bye, guys. Bye. And